Last week we finished up with our painting, and I got both sides. You know, this is the smaller rock, and then here's the larger of the two. And now it's time to focus on this cutaway bank right in front of the biggest one here. I want to do an eroded dirt bank here, and then down along the road, I want to do dirt clods from the road being graded. So that's what we're going to work on today. While there are times where, I just get an idea, this is one that started pretty early on, so I needed to figure out how I was going to transition the bottom of this rock that I'm adding and this drop-off that is created by it, and so that's why I came up with the eroded bank. So I had a pretty simple plan: glue and pin this little piece of foam on, and then I could add grasses on top and, roots from the bottom, and then I would just have to put some dirt on there to make it look like an eroded bank. Okay, this is getting a little, over time some of these will bunch up, and I don't want that. So I gotta keep breaking them up. It's like the liquid will seep up them and then bring them together. And I don't want that. That's looking pretty good. I just want to stay upright a little bit more. And then all these will be trimmed again. But they got a ways to go drying. I will have some hanging over, but I think they should be shorter, and then I'm going to have a couple of clumps like they fell, like here. I'm going to have a piece because this is a little further in and this is a little further in. I'll have a clump there of grass and a clump there of grass. And then here, I'm going to have cactus.